Hello, in this tutorial we are going to talk about the Player tab on your on-demand platform. First, we can see the player's customization. Here you can change the theme color of your player by selecting here. You can choose the color you want and then confirm. On the right you have a preview of your player. Here you can get a preview of how your player will be seen by your viewers. A little further down we have your player controls. By activating this option, you will have access to the controls below. The autoplay option will make your player play automatically without the need for the user to play. The Player 2.0 option will change your player layout to version 2.0. The 360 will activate 360 mode if it is a 360-degree transmission. Loading the video after playing will cause your player to only load the video after the user presses play. The progress option will show your player's progress bar while the user is watching. And hide player icons will hide your player icons while the user is watching as well. Just below, we have the sharing option. By activating this option, you can select the social networks where you want your player to be promoted. And last but not least, you can add a watermark by adding your company logo to your player.